we are here for a survey kind of thing. We have collaborated with LOLT, that is Light of Life Trust, which serve to the society or underprivileged people. So UBS has collaborated with them to let their students realize the value of money and how people suffer in villages who don't get chance to study in colleges like UBS students are studying. So here we have experienced that how people live here who don't get facilities and all. Here we interacted with many people who are weak in health, in monetary terms and in many aspects of life. So we are here to recognize that how people face these issues and how they manage to confront it. So we are here to support them and to give them a way by showing the path of Light of Life Trust, where they offer many courses for people and ladies who don't get chance to go out and explore the world. So we have realized here that here many people are interested in doing jobs but their families don't allow them. So we have representatives of Light of Trust there to talk to them and to encourage them to go out and pursue some courses to help their families in monetary terms. And by leading 3 teams, we have did a great job, I realize. I really would like to thank LOLT and Universal Business School for giving us this chance. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Snehal Kambre. I am in 10th standard and today UBS college students have explained us very well the importance of English, why we should learn English, why we should join ECP of Light of Life Trust. We play a drama here and they work very hard for us. Also we work very hard for them and we get a very well experience, and thank you so much everyone.
We were conducting career guidance for the students and also English communication classes. What I was able to experience from here is that students are extremely enthusiastic about their programs, and also LOLT has been doing a great work in this village, as there are a lot of students from this village who are part of the backward classes, and LOLT has been providing them platforms for improving the education and also the quality of life. We have also had a very great experience with this project, as we were able to interact with the students directly and also with the faculty and the staff of LOLT. We were also provided platforms for conducting classes for teachers as well as for the students for career guidance, as well as soft skills training in public speaking, team building, time management and also MS Office and few other soft skills. It has been a great opportunity overall, and I would like to thank UBS and UBS management for providing us with this opportunity.
We started our journey with the Salok village. We kick-started our journey with interaction with the students in an Anganwadi.
Also, we created a demo there. We taught them how to wash their hands and how to brush their teeth. We taught them some healthy habits. We also distributed chocolates among the children, and we started with interacting with them, and then we started roaming here and there around the village. We covered almost all the village, and then we started taking survey.
So we have almost covered 5 to 6 villages till now, and we started with Gorkamat and now we are at Salok, and ahead we'll be going to some more villages. Now the journey was really good. We interacted with people, we understood their problems, and they also interacted with us very well.
This was actually a very ground reality check which the children of our age should get, and a very great opportunity which was provided by Light of Life Trust and UBS, which was very much needed in our lives.
And we are very thankful for this. Thank you.
Thank you.
I must say I have never worked with an NGO on such a macro level. Setting aside the challenges of stepping outside my comfort zone, the learning curve that we obtained within 1 week was quite immense. One thing that I observed is how much my confidence boosted when it came to my speaking ability in Hindi, because I find it arduous to speak and converse in Hindi. So my team, environment team, we went around, we did surveys, we visited the field and suggested different techniques of how they could improve their produce. With interactions with the farmers and villagers, I was able to boost my confidence in the language of Hindi. The journey really makes you think about how problems could be approached in different perspectives, and how when we all come together as a whole team, we could create such a good cause for the people around us. Because at the end of the day, it's a collective effort. So I would like to thank Universal Business School for providing me such an insight into the world of NGOs and giving me an opportunity to work with a core team. Thank you.
Universal Business School has initiated in 2018 a social development program called as a SMART project, which stands for Societal Causes, Managerial Aptitude and Responsibility Temperament, which is an intensive social immersive project in which student gets an opportunity to experience with the social issues in the field of education, livelihood, health and environment. By doing this project, students build their teamwork, their project management skills, the problem solving skills, rural immersion, rural innovation, many other skills can be developed in this project. Every year in this project, around 1500 man hours per immersion, more than 100 villages and 1000 beneficiaries are connected with our UBS students. I really thanks to the LOLT Light of Light Trust NGO giving this opportunity, doing a wonderful experiential learning, connecting with the villagers. Thank you.